Well, there are some people out there who created games in 1 week, 4 days, even in 24 hours, and to the extreme in 10 minutes and in one line of code. But is this even possible in this world to create a game in 4 words of code? Well, there is only one way to find it out. And the game we are going to create is Minecraft. First, I'm going to import Minecraft and we are done. So let's quickly run it and see how it works. Perfect. You can see our program created a world where we can move around, remove blocks, place blocks. I think that's what Minecraft is. So, thanks for watching. Anyway, this is just another version of Fogly Man's Minecraft. I just changed the code a little bit for this project, but I actually created Minecraft as a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That's a really cool video, so check that out and see you.